Good evening. A world in flux and flex mode. We're all watching with rapt attention the antics of a hyperactive, omni-media present president, talking about everything, everywhere, all at once. The 24-hour news channel that is the White House. Everything we know or take for granted is up for grabs, from the sanctity of borders, to diplomatic decorum, to the premium of being good, to the authority of long-respected international bodies. Bodies like the UN, the WHO, Climate Accord, that we have created a framework for our world to live in peace and prosperity. Throw into this mix AI, that is raising searing, piercing, existential questions at the heart of it all. What does it mean to be human? Are we just a sum total of our thoughts? Just a pimped up large language model, really? In which case, can we live forever in a machine? Or are we the body that can be hacked to never die? And you have a heady cocktail. It feels a bit chaotic, but I think two things thrive in chaos: newsrooms and Indians. Newsrooms are wired to revel in the unpredictable, in change, in breaking news. Nothing gets us as excited and moving like being in the forefront of an unfolding situation. And the world today is an unfolding of gigantic proportions, the age of acceleration, where everything as you know it is being appended. So many unanswered questions, a breaking news bonanza. The second category that thrives in chaos is Indians. We love the chaotic energy of a kumbh, a big fat wedding, and unpredictable geopolitical situations. No rules and no lines is when the Indian national character is best at display. We are champions of chaos. When there is no plan, we shine. Chaos is the most fertile ground for jugaad. We are the jadugars of jugaad. It is what makes us master innovators. I find myself, fortunately, heading an Indian newsroom in the very best of times. The icing on this cake, having 50 years of credibility and supportive sponsors. In times of chaos, you rely only on those that you trust and those that can navigate you through this turbulence. An Indian newsroom with credibility. It seems like I have all the cards. Enough words. Let me show you a sample of some of the mind-blowing innovation from my incredible team.
तेरे साथ जो देखे सपने वो आज भी मेरे दिल में है तेरी तस्वीरों की तरह उनमें कुछ सिलवटें हैं पुराना प्यार यादें ताज़ी तेरे बिन लगे हर पल हाले पुराना प्यार यादें ताज़ी तू सुबह अब रातें काली
I have a song for you. I want you to listen to this song and tell me what do you think about the song. ठीक है? Here's your headphones.
छुप छुप के जो की थी
I can listen to this song all day long. This is such a beautiful song.
वो आज भी
Right in the genre that I listen to in general. Very nice.
You liked it?
I loved it.
Will this song feature in your playlist? Playlist में आएगी?
Obviously.
This would be in my playlist, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, there's a separate playlist that I have, Getting Ready playlist. I would definitely add it to that.
मैं पूछने वाली थी ये गाना मुझे मिलेगा कहाँ पे अभी?
And here is the big reveal. at the conclave, especially for our favorite audience. Eshaan is AI. So, shall we meet him? Let's get Eshaan on a call, guys.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Eshaan. How's fame treating you?
Just try to soak it all in. It's just been some exciting days. I'm super grateful for it.
I know. People are loving your sound. What do you think clicked?
Well, Purana Pyar is the feeling which all of us have been through. Old love is just like a garam chai on a winter morning, right? It's just an irresistible feeling that we all go through.
Eshaan, you are such a charmer. Best of luck. I hope you find some Naya Pyar too this year. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Eshaan, our first AI-generated pop star. Everything about him, his looks, his voice, his music, his video is AI-generated. His smile, oh my God, his smile too is AI-generated. 2 years ago, if you recall, from the same platform, we had launched India's first AI news anchor, Sana, and we have not stopped since then. Today with Eshaan, we are taking another leap. We're introducing a new genre of music for the world. We call it A-pop. A-pop is not robotic. It is humans partnering with machines to create a new sound. Lyrics written by humans, composed by AI, sung by AI, or sometimes the other way around. A-pop is fluid. It's electronic, it's collaborative, it's the new frontier of music. Eshaan is our first AI pop star, but he won't be alone. Joining him today is the electrifying female pop star, Rue, with her foot-tapping single, Rehna Tere Saath. As we speak, Rue is actually opening for real-life Honey Singh in concert in Indore. Welcome, Rue.
मैं तो चाहूँ बस तुझे ही न चाहूँ मांगो तुझे ही पाऊँ ना अपना वक्त न गवाओ मुझे रहना है तेरे साथ ना मैं तो चाहूँ बस तुझे ही ना तेरा पर मैं अपना वक्त न गवाऊँ.
Her music is very addictive and it gets stuck. I bet you will be humming it tonight. Do listen to the full songs and watch the full music video using the QR code on your tables. As you know, AI doesn't eat, drink, or sleep, a little bit like the BJP. So they are on to their new projects. I'm excited to see what comes out of this collaboration. It is an exciting journey ahead, and today is just day one. Now, in conclusion, I want to remind you the rarest mineral of all on this earth is your attention and your time. Everyone is out to get it, from the politicians to the tech oligarchs. And it's in short supply. Basic economics. I ask you to raise your price. Negotiate hard. Make the best deal you can. Spend your time and attention on things that value you, enhance you, respect you, augment you. Not the ones that make you a commodity and sell you without your permission. Today, you did well by choosing to spend your time with us. I hope we continue to make ourselves worthy of your time and attention. I know our gala finale speaker, the CM of UP, Yogi Adityanath ji, does. Yogi ji, आपका India Today conclave में महाकुंभ वाला स्वागत है. Thank you, everyone. Have a good evening.